In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layer line type in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed your walls to read as solid lines while your boundaries or center lines show as dashed or dotted, controlling the line type by layer is the cleanest and most consistent way to do it. Changing a layer's line type ensures that every object set to by layer on that layer automatically follows the pattern you choose, keeping your drawings tidy and standards compliant. Start by opening your drawing and heading to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click Layer Properties to open the Layer Properties Manager. This is your command center for organizing how objects look and behave. If you don't see the Layers panel, make sure you're in a drafting workspace where the Home tab is available, or expand the ribbon so you can access it easily. With the Layer Properties Manager open, find the layer you want to update. You'll see columns for the layer name, on-off status, color, line type, and more. Click to highlight the specific layer whose line type you want to change. Choosing the correct layer here is important because the line type you set will apply to everything on that layer that is set to use by layer properties. Next, move to the line type column for that layer. It may currently say continuous, which is the default solid line. Click directly in that cell and then click load to bring in additional line type definitions from AutoCAD's line type libraries. Loading doesn't change anything yet. It simply makes more patterns available in this drawing like hidden, center, phantom, or dash dot. If you're working with standards, choose line types that match your template or company guidelines. Once the load dialog appears, scroll through the list and select the line type you want. You can select one or several patterns if you plan to use them later. Click OK to confirm your choices, and you'll return to the Select Line Type dialog, where those new options are now available. Pick the specific line type you want assigned to the layer, and click OK again to apply it. You'll now see the chosen pattern shown in the layer's line type column. Objects already on that layer, as long as their line type is set to by layer, will adopt the new look automatically. If the pattern appears too tight or too spread out on screen, that's usually a scale issue, not a line type problem. You can adjust line type scale later to fine-tune the appearance. For now, you've successfully changed the layer's line type and brought your drawing one step closer to clear, readable documentation. Save your work and you're all set.